Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to get 5-star food in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is an item in Heartopia that you can use to boost the star on your meal. And the item is called Amazing Seasoning. And you can unlock this item after you reach level 6 in your cooking hobby. When you reach level 6, the Amazing Seasoning is purchasable. You can get it from Massimo's cooking store. Okay, and after you buy this item, you can go to your stove and you're going to cook with applying this amazing seasoning. But for your information, guys, it's not always successful. I've applied this amazing seasoning, but I only got 3-star. But yeah, it can help you to boost the star. So you can try if you want to get 5-star food. And I'm going to try to cook my black truffle cream pasta. Yeah, I'm going to apply the amazing seasoning. I hope that I can get 5-star. This item is quite expensive, I think. You need 3k gold to buy the amazing seasoning, or actually you can use your wishing star. Oh my god, you need 30 stars to buy it. Okay, come on. Oh, I just got 2. So yeah, it's not always successful, but you can try because it can give you boost for the stars. Okay guys, and that's the tips from me to get 5-star food in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.